everyone, welcome to Practice Code. Guys, today we are going to help you with getting started with the Hacktoberfest and tell what is Hacktoberfest as well as how can you pull requests with using Git and without using Git. First of all, let me tell you what is Hacktoberfest. It's an open source fest that's really famous and this is the URL for its official website, hacktoberfest.digitalocean.com, where you can go and check about it. Support open source and pick a limited edition t-shirt or plant tree. So Hacktoberfest has this motto which actually makes me, more boost towards why I should start. Small video for you guys. So if you want, you can just go ahead and so this is the video. You can go and check it out. Well, I hope you can get it. Even details are this. Hacktober is an open source to everyone in our global community, whether you are a developer, a student learning to code, event host, or company of any size. You can help drive growth of open source and make positive contribution to an ever-growing community as backgrounds and skill levels are encouraged to complete them. Rules are to earn your Hacktoberfest T or tree reward. You must register and make 4 valid pull requests between October 1 to 31. That's the motto. In any time zone. PRs can be made to any public repo or get on GitHub, not only the ones with issues labeled Hacktoberfest. And that's the important point. People think that we have to only do PRs to labeled Hacktoberfest. No, it's not necessary. If a maintainer reports your pull request as spam or behavior not in line with the project's code of conduct, you will be illegal to participate. Now, this is something scary you need to worry about. This year, the first 70,000 participants who successfully completed the challenge will be eligible to receive a prize. So, what most of the people are facing problem with is you know um, this why how can I start doing pull requests if I don't know Git? So do I need to learn Git? So if you are learning Git, then great, you have came to the very better video because today I'm going to tell you how without Git and with Git you can do it. So first of all, click on the Start Hacking section, and it will automatically sign in your login with your ID in this. So if you will click here, sign in with GitHub, it will automatically sign in to you with GitHub. Yeah, that's how. I have already done my 4 pull requests. Now I am telling you guys how you can do it. So total PRs, I've done 6 total PRs, and this is my profile, and will mentioning the link in the bio. So first of all, if you want to do a PR, you need to find a repository. So let me check into my following whether any person I can help with. Open my followers list so that I can help one of my followers. Will be helping Yamini in this case. Check GitHub projects, Python audiobooks, something mind. So here is an audiobook.py, chess.py, help.cpp, hello.cpp. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to help her with this. Okay. What I'm going to do is just fork it into, if you have multiple accounts, then it will show you that you any one of these. So I'm going to fork it in my personal one. Uh, just getting forked. Yeah, it's forked. So what's the benefit is it is showing now Himanshu Tiwari slash GitHub project. Forked from Yamini 8750 GitHub project. So it explicitly tells that you have forked from this user. It's not your personal or you have made it, but you have forked it from. So you know if you open this project now, so this will show a one fork here. But how can you do a pull request to this? So here's a line. This branch is even with Yamini. No, this branch is even with Yamini without any update. You haven't updated anything. So what I can do is add a file. Like I can just make a small change in the README. Okay. So let me make a small change in the README. You can even open from this or from here. Click over here and the README file will be open. Now you're making a change in your repository which you have closed. So she had a typo here. See, projects. Now this is my first GitHub project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to help her with a short typo correction and go down and just commit the change into the master branch. Master branch and different branch. There are different branches, and you can commit in. You can create your own branch for this, or you can just go ahead and do this. So I'm going to reload the page. I've done the master branch change, so it's already here. Change. And what it says is this branch is one commit ahead of Yamini. I am one commit ahead. Now what I will do is give it a pull request, and this is simple. I went on the pull request, create a pull request. It shows that what changes you have done. It was earlier this time, and now I've done this. We create a pull request and update. I will be naming it as typo fixed in readme and leave a comment. Yeah, hope you don't mind the um, correction. So just create a pull request. That's what we need to do. And as soon as you created the pull request, now Yamini should get a mail for my typo fixed, and she will check it whether if she likes it, she will merge it, or she can reject the PF, or she can leave it, whatever. But this is how this branch has no conflicts with the base branch. That's a simple message. Whenever she will merge it, this will be written in purple color merge. Okay, so this is how you can do a PR, a pull request without using Git, simply from your GitHub open in your browser.
Hey guys, now let's see how to create your first pull request using Git. Okay, so I've already forked this repo from my friend Himanshu, and now let's clone it first. Okay, I've copied this. So for here I will be using Jupyter Notebook for editing my files, and also will use Jupyter's Windows shell as I find it more comfortable. You can run the same commands in CMD as well. They will work. So first of all, write git clone and then paste that that URL that you press enter. It will clone that repo to your system. Yeah. Okay. So we have successfully cloned that repo. Now you can edited using anaconda. For that you have to write this like this. If you are using some other uh, editor, you can use that as well. Here I'm using Jupyter, so it will open that repo and its file in Jupyter as well. So it will create another nav. Yeah, you see that we have opened that repo. Here it is. Yeah, this one. So I want to add a new file here in audiobook. Okay, so yeah, here is. I'm copying the whole complete code. Okay, now let's create a new notebook. Python 3. I'll name it as speech.py. Speech. Sorry. Yeah, paste it. You would just have to do this. Control S saved. It's completely saved. Now go back here press Control plus Shift, it will end the kernel and everything. Oh, let's move it. Go. Yeah, yeah. Now run the same command. You have to get into that directory. If I write, yeah, this. So it is showing that these two files are not added. So for adding that, you have to write git add and then space and a dot. Sometimes it doesn't work. Let's run it again. It will work. Yeah, it worked. Now if you see git status, that red thing will turn into green. Yeah. So this is the thing. Now we have to commit our changes. For this, you have to write git commit, and if you want to add a message, then minus m, hyphen m, sorry, minus as and minus, and a message like this program turns PDF to audiobook. Yeah, run it. Yeah, we have committed our changes, and for making these changes appear on our online GitHub repository, we have to write this git push. We are pushing the changes where to the origin, and to which branch, the master branch. Okay, there might be some problem. uh, let's see. Oh, it's the main branch. uh, Main. If I write main, it will run. Then you have to mention the branch name, so it is, yeah. Okay, so if I reload this page, you will see my file here. Yeah, this thing. I have added a file here. Okay. Uh, this program turns PDF. Now, if I want to push my changes, you have to create a pull request now, because what pull request does is that, for example, Himanshu's repository is different from the repository that I made changes to currently. So to merge both of them, like it's like yeah, syncing them using the synchronization factor here. So we have, that is the pull request. Yeah, it is able to merge. When I create a new pull request, I'm writing this. Yeah, you can add some comment if you want to, and then I created a pull request here, and your pull request is submitted successfully. Congratulations, guys, you have made your first pull request using Git, and now Himanshu can merge my pull request into his if you want to, and that's it. That is the whole procedure you have to follow to make your first pull request. We made this video because we know many of the first time developers want to contribute in open source, this Hacktoberfest. So thank you guys, thank you for watching our video. If you like it, subscribe it, comment it, and like it, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.